Hey Mirza, just a few changes here before I send it to the review. So basically on the top, instead of this logo, it should be this logo because this is her logo, JN Maxim, and the one that is on top should be here. So that's the first change. Second, uh, this is good, but I think we should find some different photos that will be a little bit darker so these buttons could be visible. And I put it in the order details that if we can have these four in one line, all four of them, they can be smaller, but in one line, it's going to be nicer. So put it all of them here. So and start from there. You can make it a little bit smaller. That's one. This is all good. Good, good. This is good. Here, I put a wrong order. So what I was suggesting is on this side where the name, email, and phone number is to be in boxes like this, in a tin boxes. And this, please remove these boxes and make the contact 5 option as it goes. So that is what we need. So here, those boxes needs to be. Those are the changes for now. Please make it as soon as possible. Thank you.